When most people think about livestock farming, the first animals that usually come to mind are cattle, pigs, and goats. Many farmers grow up believing cattle or pigs must automatically be the best choice simply because they are bigger, more famous, or more commonly discussed in traditional farming conversations. Bigger animals often look more valuable, and people tend to assume that bigger size must mean bigger profit. But farming success is not decided by size alone. In real life, the smartest farming decisions are based on practicality, sustainability, cost, and long term returns. And when you carefully examine those factors step by step, especially from the point of view of beginners or small scale farmers, goats often stand out as the most strategic and reliable choice. To truly understand this, we must not rush. We must slow down and look at each factor that determines whether a livestock business succeeds or fails. Farming is not gambling, it is planning, it is patience, it is understanding your environment, your resources, your budget, and your goals. And once you begin to analyze livestock farming through that lens, goats begin to shine in ways that many people never notice at first. All of these things require money before profits begin. Goats, however, offer a very different entry path. A beginner can start with just two or three goats and slowly expand over time. This gradual approach is extremely powerful because it allows farmers to learn through experience without risking everything at once. Instead of jumping into farming with fear, they can grow with confidence. Starting small is not a weakness in farming. In fact, starting small is often the smartest strategy. It gives farmers time to understand animal behavior, feeding patterns, disease signs, and market demand. Goats make this learning process affordable. They allow mistakes without destroying your finances. And that alone makes them a safer option for new farmers. Now, let us talk about land because land is one of the most limiting resources in agriculture today. Many people dream of farming but do not have large pieces of land. Cattle need wide grazing areas to stay healthy. Without enough pasture, their growth slows down and their health suffers. This means farmers with small land cannot easily raise cattle unless they spend extra money on feed. Pigs do not graze like cattle, but they still require proper space. Their pens must be well built, well ventilated, and cleaned frequently. Overcrowding pigs can lead to stress, disease outbreaks, and poor growth. So even pig farming demands adequate space and infrastructure. Goats, on the other hand, are incredibly flexible when it comes to land. They can thrive on small plots. Many farmers successfully raise goats in backyard farms, small compounds, or limited land spaces where cattle would never be practical. Goats do not need huge pastures. They can browse shrubs, weeds, and plants that grow naturally in small areas. This means even someone living on a small piece of land can still run a productive goat farm. In a world where land prices keep rising and available farmland keeps shrinking, this flexibility gives goats a major advantage. Feeding is another area where goats clearly outperform many other livestock animals. Feeding is usually the biggest daily expense in animal farming. If feeding costs are high, profits shrink quickly. Pigs rely heavily on purchased feeds, and those feeds can become very expensive, especially when market prices rise. Farmers who depend on commercial feed often struggle during times when feed costs increase. Cattle also consume large amounts of food. They eat grass, hay, silage, and other bulky feeds. During dry seasons, when grass becomes scarce, farmers must buy or store feed to keep their cattle healthy. That adds extra expense and extra work. Goats are different. They are natural browsers. Instead of depending only on grass, goats eat leaves, vines, shrubs, weeds, and many wild plants. In fact, goats can eat plants that other animals refuse to touch. This ability allows goats to feed themselves in environments where other livestock would struggle. Farmers therefore spend much less money feeding goats. Lower feeding cost means higher profit potential, and higher profit potential is exactly what every farmer wants. Another powerful advantage goats have is adaptability. Farming conditions are not always perfect. Weather changes, droughts happen, pasture quality drops. Some regions are hot, others are dry, some have rough terrain. Livestock that cannot adapt to these conditions become difficult to manage. Goats are known for their hardiness. They can live comfortably in hot climates, dry regions, mountainous areas, and places where vegetation is limited. Pigs often struggle in extreme heat unless farmers install cooling systems, which adds to costs. Cattle can also suffer when conditions are harsh, especially if water or pasture is limited. But goats are survivors. They adjust quickly to new environments and continue producing even when conditions are not ideal. This reliability makes them especially valuable for farmers who live in regions where weather is unpredictable or resources are limited. Owning animals that can withstand tough conditions is one of the smartest decisions any farmer can make. Handling livestock is another practical factor that many beginners overlook. Cattle are large and powerful. Managing them safely often requires strength, experience, and sometimes equipment. Pigs can also be difficult to handle, especially when stressed. They may panic, push, or become aggressive. Goats are much easier to manage. They are smaller, lighter, and generally calmer. One person can guide, lift, or treat a goat without assistance. This makes daily farm work easier and safer. For beginners, elderly farmers, women, or anyone running a farm alone, this advantage is extremely important. Easier handling means less stress, less risk of injury, and smoother daily routines. Risk is a natural part of any business, and farming is no exception. Animals can become sick, die, or be stolen. When a farmer loses a cow, the financial loss can be very heavy because cattle are expensive. Losing pigs can also hurt, especially if disease spreads among them. But when a goat is lost, the financial damage is usually smaller. Because goats cost less individually, the farmer's investment is spread across multiple animals. This reduces risk and protects the farmer from devastating losses. One of the strongest reasons goats outperform pigs and cattle is their ability to generate income from multiple sources. Goats are incredibly versatile. They can produce meat, milk, manure, skins, and breeding stock. A farmer can sell kids, mature goats, milk, or even manure to crop farmers who need fertilizer. This means income does not depend on a single product. Instead, money can come from different directions throughout the year. This flexibility is powerful because it creates financial stability. Pigs mainly produce meat. Cattle are often raised for either beef or milk, but goats can do many things at once. That variety of income streams helps farmers maintain steady earnings instead of waiting months for a single payday. Goats also serve as a kind of living savings account. If a farmer suddenly needs money for school fees, medical expenses, or emergencies, selling a goat is quick and easy. Selling cattle can take longer because buyers are fewer and transport is harder. Goats provide financial flexibility that many rural families depend on. They are not just animals, they are financial security. Water availability is another critical factor in livestock farming. In many regions, water is limited or unreliable. Cattle drink large amounts of water every day. Pigs also need frequent water access to stay healthy. Goats require less water than both. They can perform well even in areas where water is scarce. This makes goats especially suitable for dry regions. In such environments, goats are often the most practical livestock a farmer can choose. Market demand is what determines whether livestock farming becomes profitable or not. It does not matter how well animals are raised if there is no market to sell them. Goat meat is widely accepted across many cultures and communities. In some places, people avoid pork or beef for cultural or religious reasons. But goat meat is rarely restricted. Because of this broad acceptance, goat farmers usually find buyers easily. Faster sales mean faster income, and faster income keeps a farm running smoothly. Healthcare cost is another factor that affects profits. Treating large animals like cattle can be expensive because they require larger doses of medicine. Pig diseases can spread quickly and may demand costly treatments or vaccinations. Goats generally cost less to treat. Many common goat illnesses can be managed early and affordably if detected in time. Lower medical costs help farmers keep more of their earnings. Mobility is another overlooked advantage. Sometimes farmers need to move animals to new grazing areas, new farms, or markets. Moving cattle can be complicated and expensive. Transporting pigs can be stressful for both animals and farmers. Goats are much easier to move. They can be walked, transported in small vehicles, and handled without heavy equipment. This makes transportation simpler and cheaper. Finally, goats are famous for their toughness. They can survive drought, poor grazing land, and difficult weather better than many other livestock animals. When conditions become harsh, goats often continue surviving and producing while other animals struggle. This natural resilience makes goats dependable. And dependability is one of the most valuable qualities any farmer can have in livestock. When you bring all these advantages together, a clear picture forms. Goats require less starting money, less land, less feed, less water, and less medical cost. They are easier to handle, safer to invest in, adaptable to harsh environments, and capable of producing multiple income streams. They also have strong market demand and excellent survival ability. These are not small benefits. They are major advantages that can determine whether a farmer succeeds or fails. Choosing livestock should never be based only on tradition or what others are doing. It should be based on logic, planning, and long-term sustainability. And when you look at those factors carefully, goats often come out on top. They are not just animals that survive. They are animals that help farmers grow, expand, and build stable livelihoods. So, if you are thinking about starting livestock farming, or if you are already farming and wondering which animals to focus on, goats deserve serious consideration. They are flexible, profitable, manageable, and reliable. In many real world farming situations, goats are not just an option, they are the smartest choice a farmer can make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos.